Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to order pages in Affinity Designer when exporting to PDF. This is incredibly useful when you're working on multi-page documents and need to ensure your pages appear in the correct sequence in the final PDF file. Let's dive right in. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, go ahead and open your existing file or create a new file. Now, direct your attention to the right panel where you'll find the Layers section. This is where the magic happens for organizing your pages. Here's the key thing to understand. In Affinity Designer, the layer order directly determines the page order in your exported PDF. The bottom layer becomes page 1, the layer above it becomes page 2, and so on. To rearrange your pages, simply click and drag the layers into your desired order. For instance, if you want a particular layer to be the first page of your PDF, drag that layer all the way to the bottom of the layer stack. Take your time here and ensure all your layers are arranged exactly how you want them to appear in the final document. You have complete freedom to drag layers up or down until the sequence matches your vision. Once you're satisfied with the layer order, navigate to the upper left toolbar and click on File. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Export, then click Export again. This will open the Export Settings dialog where you'll configure how your document is saved. In the left sidebar of the Export dialog, click on PDF. This tells Affinity Designer that you want to export your document as a PDF file rather than another format. Now look for the Area section in the Export Settings. Click on the drop-down menu beside it and select Whole Document. This ensures that all your layers are included in the export, maintaining the page order you just carefully arranged. After selecting Whole Document, click the Export button to proceed. A file browser window will open, allowing you to choose where you want to save your PDF. Navigate to your preferred location and, if needed, rename the file to something more descriptive or organized. Once you've selected the location and confirmed the file name, click Save, and there you have it. Your PDF will be exported with all pages in the exact order you arranged them through the Layers panel. The bottom layer is now page 1, and each subsequent layer follows in sequence. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.